Manual processes are a major hindrance to global enterprises. While a digital workforce with process automation bots is the way forward, it comes with several challenges. For instance, organizations may find it difficult to measure the ROI of their RPA initiatives or lack the resources to effectively scale over time. A unique and efficient way to manage your RPA initiatives is through a Robotic Operations Center, or ROC. At Emtec Digital, we help you realize your process automation goals through a comprehensive portfolio of ROC services with a structured 5-step approach. First, we identify environments ripe for automation and deploy bots in thoroughly tested production environments. Next, our ROC experts ensure compliance and track KPIs to efficiently log, analyze, and optimize bot performance, while ensuring post-production support and troubleshooting. Next, as part of our maintenance and optimization services, we address bug and feature enhancements with additional development and testing. Next, we provide you with daily, weekly, and quarterly reports that help you monitor and measure bot performance to ensure you meet your automation goals. Partnering with a trusted ROC and RPA implementation partner like Emtec Digital will help you achieve automation peace of mind. Ready to begin your RPA journey or need support to scale your RPA initiatives? Contact our experts today